Hey guys! Welcome back to the pink envelope. I have DecoCrated, a box I am super excited to open with you today. So last time we were together, we unboxed Christmas, and it was a stellar box. As always, I have not peeked in here, so I do not know what is inside, so we're gonna discover together. Here's what's inside, and this box is heavy, y'all. Heavy. So here, let's do that for a little bit. These are cute. So this is a front and back art that goes in your frame, any frame you want. I just have one that I keep on. And this is thank you so much for being a part of the DecoCrated family. And it shares their hashtag. And I love they put little sketches of their people. They're not like real photos or sketches. They're so cute. But this is actually another piece of art. So there's 3 arts in this box. I don't want to flip through here because I don't want the surprise to be ruined, and this talks about what's inside, but we'll come back to that. You get one of these in every box, not this in every box, and it's the art that you frame. And it's reversible, so it has 2 different looks in one. Inside of our first box is this guy. Ooh, it opened on y'all's side. So y'all know what's up, I don't. This is the first framed piece of art I've ever gotten from DecoCrated, and I love this. This is so cute. And I'd like to point out that the back has the tabs, so at any point that maybe I get tired of this look, I can replace the art. It's not all sealed in and untouchable. I love this. Love this. Love the natural wood frame. I don't know if y'all have been watching, but I have been remodeling my house and I have natural wood throughout. You'll see in the box these that are marked empty. Throw them to the side. So here's what's next. What is this? It's what's inside that counts. A market tote. This is so cute. We often go down to an area called the Pearl here, and it's a big greenery grass area, and they have live music on the edge, and they have a splash pad that kids can play in, and then there's restaurants and sometimes even shops that line that you can shop. This is the perfect bag to take down there with snacks and drinks, a bottle of wine, and then all of your purchases can go inside, and you would look so cute while shopping. I love it. I'm also noticing a really cute color scheme in here that's got a Valentine's flair to it, but not like pink and red. Not that I have anything against pink and red, obviously. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, the pillowcases. I say always, I think every box they tint pillowcases. So I'm gonna link up the pillows that fit in these best. But they send these every single time I pull out my pillows and replace my pillowcases. So every quarter, I have a new pillowcase that goes on with each box. And the pillowcases have been reversible. So they go a long way. So like right now, it was the Christmas pillowcase, then I flipped it, now it's just winter. It's so cute. Now I'm gonna tell you, I love this color. I love the colors of this. It's still like, so taking consideration, this is up also very Valentine's-y, but a great color palette. I'm very stoked about this. And these feel really good, by the way. They're not cheapy, they feel soft. All right, let's see what's next. Every once in a while I panic that it's something breakable. What are these? Ooh. I love these. So I'm about things that add depth and height to decor. So look. Gotta check everywhere, because you never know. So like my mind's going in a million different directions. So I'm sitting in my office and instantly I was like, this would look so cute on my desk. Pencils, paper clips, rubber bands, or for Valentine's, having different greeneries popping out with staked hearts. I wonder what the magazine has. We won't look now, but we're gonna look in a second. Because their designers give tips and tricks also. So if you get it and you're like, I don't know what to do, you don't have to freak out. Their designers will guide you. Is it like a little church? How cute. So obviously you could put a candle in here and whatever, but I like imagining a really great succulent inside here. Okay, there's one more thing. I think I'm gonna have to slide this off. I love all of the natural wood. I love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh, these are cute. Those are so cute. So you could hang it like this, and you can hang it like this. It's set up to hang both ways. See the back? And then these guys say, believe in yourself, you got this, love, and it actually matches the printout. And how they're able to do this is, this stuff is all designed by their featured designer and created for DecoCrated. This is not like, you know, a home goods store with leftover stuff they're sending out. This is all curated items that they design, create, and ship to us specifically, which is pretty sweet. Okay, I want to bust into this guy. Now that we've got a concept for what's in the spring 2020 box. The featured artist is Kelly Merkur. She's a wife, sister, and friend, and a mother of 2 girls. So she is the one who designed these elements. And when you get in here, it talks about the designer, talks about the products, and then it really showcases how to use the products. So it has the color palette. We should get you something like the art. So here is this board and how they did this board. So used with the magnet board to accessorize important dates. And she put a calendar on here. I'm not putting a calendar, that's too, oh, I'll do like this. I like this better. More like arts and featured reminders and things here in the office that are exciting. I don't want to put this like to work. That sounds serious. So it's a chalkboard and a magnet board, which is pretty sweet. And then the metal lantern, I called it a little house. It is a little house. Is super cute. Oh look, they put a candle in it, but they also put flowers. I imagined a succulent. I think that would be so, so, so cute with a succulent. And then they show off their pillows here. And the floral pillow is from a past box. I have it, so I'm gonna do that same thing. I think that looks super, super cute. So when they send you these items, you're not at a loss. It talks about it here. But they also have their blog, which is great. But what's even better is they have groups on Facebook, and you can join the DecoCrated group on Facebook. And that's where we get on and we talk about all of the things, like here's what I did with mine, and everybody shows pictures of their house and how they use their DecoCrated. Oh look, so somebody they show it in the office here, but then they show it in like home and beauty as well for this guy. What's cool is you get a box every quarter, so that's for a year, but everything is kind of multi-use, and when the holidays shift, everybody shows how they shift their items in the holidays, and I have borrowed, stolen, so many good ideas, so many good ideas. So, okay, I love it, below I'm gonna link up the pillow inserts that I recommend, as well as, I'll put the links to the Facebook group so that you guys can quickly hop on and join. I do have a coupon code, so if you want to sign up for DecoCrated, you can snag it down below. If you guys have any questions about DecoCrated, reach out. I would love to answer them. And I have already 4 other DecoCrate sets. So this is my 5th DecoCrated box, so my 2nd spring box. So if you want to bounce back and see what they've done over the past year, so you can gauge whether this is for you or not, you should. What I like to say is, I love decorating. I'm not the best at it by no means, but I'm definitely not the worst either. And these items coming in stretch me outside. Like, I would not have bought this bag for myself, never in a million years. And if I were walking through Home Goods, I would not have bought that for myself. But now that it is here, I honestly can't wait for this video to end, and I'm going to come back here and set it up for my office. I am so excited to have this. I am so excited. I would never justify buying this board because I wouldn't find the need. But since I gift myself DecoCrated as a mom to have something picked out, decided, and shipped to me 4 times a year, like 4 little Christmas gifts, I don't know, it makes it so much more fun. If you want to see how I'm plugging these items into my house, well, come along. I'm gonna go decorate right now.